Yesterday, I was talking to one of my friends who's a great BIM guy. He also understands construction. He also does VDC, and he's done all sorts of innovative things. I was showing him, though, this approach to estimating that he said he hadn't seen before. So I thought I'd just put it out there and share with you as well. So in the background here, I have Navisworks, and I've broken the model out according to the levels of the project. Over here I have a product called Bridge, and it is a link between Navisworks and Sage Estimating. So right here I'm actually seeing my Sage database. So I can see all the items in my database, all the assemblies in my database, so that things are there and ready to go. Now, I recorded this as a video in the past, but I thought I'd just make it a little quicker by just going through the video like this. So basically what's happening right here is here's the walls that are in the project. Here's each instance of the walls. Now I can take and drag those over here into the database. It goes to the exact item that I want it to go to. So I'm essentially teaching the computer how to map it from the model to the database where this designer's family objects go into my database. So I'm teaching it what to do. Then if I go a little bit further along, I can also teach it which parameter goes to which variable in my database. So I can teach it where the length variable goes. I can teach it where the wall height variable goes. Additionally, I can also come a little further and I can teach it what level it should record to in my Sage estimate. And also the wall type, I can record that as well. Or whatever WBS fields that you may want that are available in the model, you can map them to the WBS fields that are available in your estimate and record that information. So right here I've gone through and taught it all the different wall types and where it goes in my database. Also, I've hidden what's been taken off on the first floor so I can just see what's left over. Okay, now that I've taught it what I want, I can now tell the computer to go take off the rest of the floors. And so when I said take off the rest of the floors, it's now taken off an additional 860 items from the model to my estimate. Inside of Sage now, I've already taken off some concrete previously. And then as I scroll down, you can start to see all the wall items that I've taken off. But if I want to break it out now by level, I can now have it broken out by level. And so I can summarize my cost per level and provide that information to the owner. Now, as I get the next iterations of the estimate, I can go and just have the computer take it off automatically for me. Additionally, as I get future projects I'm working with the same design team, the computer already knows how the designer arranges their families and how it relates to my Sage estimate. And so it can already take off what it's been taught, leaving just the things I haven't taught it yet. So it should greatly reduce the amount of time that I spent doing takeoff.